Hello students. The other day we were learning about short-term and long-term division and the different parts of a division. Today we're going to try to divide by long division and learn a little bit more. As you can see on the left hand side we have a division. Our problem says divide 2808 by 8. And so in the left hand side we have division, what we call long division here in the United States. In the right hand side, if you're from Europe, you might be able to do the division this way. We still know that we can still do division with the calculator, of course, but it is always good to know, if you don't have a calculator, how to do it by hand. All right, so we're gonna follow, since most of our students live in the United States, we're gonna follow the English or US method, which is on the left hand side. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna see what number can be multiplied by 8 to give us 28. And we say it is 3. 3 times 8 is 24. Minus 28. That will give us 4. And then what we do is we put down the next number. In this case, it's a 0. So now we got 40. So we want to know how many times we got to multiply 8 to make 40. Or the other way around, how many times does 8 go into 40? And that will be 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 will be 0. But wait, we haven't finished yet. We still have to get the next number down. In this case, is 8. 8 into 8 goes one time. 8 times 1 is 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. As you can see, we don't have any more numbers to come down. So our solution will be 351. Now we need to check. How can we check if we did this right? Well, if you multiply 351 times 8, you should get 2,808. Let's see if that's true. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. We carry the 4. 8 times 3 is 24, and 4 is 28. Yep, we did it right.